I've used a lot of staple guns over the years for woodworking and DIY projects, and this Arrow Heavy Duty 3-in-1 staple gun has quickly become one of my go-to tools in the shop. Right out of the box, I appreciated that it came with 3,000 staples and a remover. It handles Arrow T50 3/8 by 5/16, the T18 3/16 by 1/2 inch, and Arrow BN18 1/8 inch by 5/8, which makes it incredibly versatile. I've used it a little bit, just trying it out on some thin pieces of wood, and I'm also going to try it on some thicker pieces to see how it works. Not having to switch tools, like to air tools for these brad nails, is a big plus. The power adjustment knob is something that I use a lot, being able to dial the pressure up or down depending on whether I'm stapling into soft pine or something harder makes a noticeable difference. On lighter materials, I'll back it off so I don't overdrive the staples. When I need deeper penetration, I crank it up and it sinks them cleanly. It makes interior projects and detail work much easier to control. Comfort-wise, it's solid. The rubber grip and ergonomic handle help a lot during longer sessions. I've had heavy-duty staplers in the past that left my hands sore after a while, but this one feels well-balanced and manageable. The handle lock is also a nice safety feature, especially when tossing it in a toolbox or storing it on a shelf in the shop. Loading staples is simple. Just press the release latch and slide them in. If you run into a jam while working on thicker material, the quick release mechanism makes it fast and painless. You'll be back to work in no time. Overall, this Arrow heavy-duty staple gun feels durable, powerful, and versatile enough for both serious DIYers and pros. Whether you're doing upholstery, insulation, small woodworking projects, crafts, or general home repairs, it's a dependable tool that earns its spot in the toolbox. Alright, I've got these nails in the fireplace mantle that are barely in, but I'd really like to have these loops, that middle staple. So if this puts a staple in this old sturdy oak, this stuff's like iron, I will be impressed. Let's try to turn the pressure up and do it on this side. Yeah, that's nice. That'll be nice for hanging stuff on, rather than a nail sticking out.